Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so I'm down to 11. I'm gonna go ahead and continue out of random and hope for the best. Alright? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. This one is right here on the top right. See what this can be. That's pretty easy. Okay. Oh, okay. This is the Bulls shooting jersey, right? Champion brand. Size large. In fact, I have another one of this exact thing. If you guys give me a moment, I will not only try it on, but I'll also give you a side-by-side comparison with the other one I have. Or if you guys just want to skip to see all that, go ahead and click that number in the video description below and it'll skip right over to it, okay? On that happy note, give me a quick second. Alright guys, so here it is. Let me lower the tripod a little bit. Give me a quick second here. Okay, so here it is. I bought this about a year or two ago. Same exact thing, alright. Bulls jersey shirt from Champion brand. Just like mine, alright? Same exact thing. No difference at all. Let me do with the necklace on now. Okay, so there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you guys for checking this out. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, rate, share, enjoy. All that good stuff. I've still got 10 more items to go, guys, alright? So it's the final 10. And I would not want you guys to miss any of that, obviously. So go ahead and do all the above, and I will gladly get to you guys soon. Alright? That's all she wrote.